Hello from Kota Kinabalu. I flew here last night from Kuching and I will be spending just one day for now because I'm moving on to Sepilok tomorrow. I just had some coffee, it was delicious, and now I'm trying to find some place to eat because it's 1 and I haven't eaten anything yet. Starting to get a little hangry. Okay, I went to this food court mall thing to find this vegetarian vegan place and I loaded my plate. Oh, wow. I'm a little overwhelmed. I found a Mangosteen. Oh my god, this is the first time I'm having one. And it was very cheap and I'm very excited to try it. There's honestly one market after the other and they all sell the same thing. The biggest papaya I've ever seen. I got 2 steamed buns, peanut and pandan. And I'm gonna try them now and tell you how they are. I haven't actually made it to the filling. Oh my god. This is delicious. My mom would love this. Okay, on to the next one, the pandan. Oh, that one is extremely sweet. Not bad. Can't really describe the taste. It just tastes like pandan, I guess. Don't really know what that tastes like. While we're at it, we might as well try the mangosteen. Can you see me? How do you open it? Okay. Oh wow. There's not a lot. That's what it looks like. And we eat the white part, so. Oh wow. This is so good. Y'all, what the heck? Made it to the Sabah State Mosque and it's pretty impressive. Okay, you remember the tan shirt slash blouse I was wearing for my hikes for that matter, in the Barco National Park? Yeah, it was like completely soaking wet from sweating so much. And I forgot it at my other hostel in Kuching. So now I'm like, I could ask someone who might come here to bring it. But that means that they have to carry my smelly, wet shirt. Ew. I don't know if I want to walk here. Oh my god, there's a rooster. Do you see it? Can't believe people actually live in these stilt houses. I could not ever do that because of the sewage. Like, it just smells so bad. Like, honestly, so gross that I could not live there. I ate most of my snacks at the airport for dinner last night because they really didn't have any vegan options at the airport. So that's why I'm heading to the grocery store again for my bus ride tomorrow. Definitely need some snacks for that, but also I just enjoy going to the grocery store. And maybe on the way I find some dinner. So the store is in a mall and I can't find the entrance to the mall. Update, of course, I found the entrance. I have been walking around in this mall trying to find the supermarket for 20 minutes. To be completely honest, that was only semi-successful. The store didn't have like anything to eat as like dinner or actual breakfast, so I ended up running to 2 more stores to get some sandwich bread, and I'll just have a peanut butter sandwich now with an apple. Of course I choose a seat where the fucking AC thing is broken and it's fucking cold. So the bus dropped me pretty much in the middle of nowhere. But I'm working Grab, so that's nice. My Grab should be here soon. I'm sweating and I have to pee and I just want to be there. I got to my resort around like 3 and now it's 6:30 and I haven't left the room. Woohoo! So the welcome drink is lemongrass and cinnamon and it smells amazing. Oh, tastes very good. Okay, I got my food. I'm hungry. It's 2 and I'm just now going to bed. Am I just chilling in my hotel room? Yes. I have no desire to go outside right now. It was raining a lot the entire day, so there's not too much to do when it's raining. Sometimes you just need to like rest, chill, I don't know. Maybe I'm just trying to make an excuse. No, but really, I think the problem with like long-term travel is that you sometimes forget to like take breaks, reset. When you see cool stuff every day, you have to like go to places every day and like do stuff every single day. Like you kind of feel like you have to do it because you're like traveling. You need to have days where you don't do stuff, where you don't like, I don't know, because I feel so pressured to like not waste my time here. So like, yeah, I want to see stuff, but at the same time my body is telling me to rest for a reason, I guess. So I made it out of the room and I'm just walking around. I'm just in the middle of nowhere. I was hoping to maybe find a coffee, but I don't think they have coffee shops anywhere near where I stay. What is that? Oh, I just got scared. It's just a van. Okay, so I think the official van of the hotel I'm staying at picked me up and drove me to the Rainforest Discovery Center, where originally I didn't want to go into. I just wanted to walk there. But now I'm here because I was driven here. And now I don't know if I want to go in. I'm probably not wearing the proper clothing though, to be fair. My nails are not painted. I don't know why they look like this. So now I don't know if I'm just gonna walk back or if I actually should go in there. Good boy. I'm now heading to the pool. I think it's starting to rain now. That's ideal. It's a very shallow pool. I just took a shower. I'm scared. A fucking mouse just fell from the ceiling and climbed up the other ladder, so I think it's on the other bed. See it? I'm scared. It's a fucking mouse, but like, what if it's a rat? I hope it's not a rat. I don't want it to be a mouse either. Ugh. This is homemade papaya and pineapple jam. So good. It's a beautiful, sunny, warm, humid morning. I just had some breakfast, which was buffet, which was delicious. And now I'm heading to the orangutan sanctuary. Oh. Okay, I'm like I'm like shaking. Okay, so the big monkey was on this side and we were just walking and this one monkey on the ground comes very close, touches my legs. I'm like, fuck, let me get away. And then the big one jumps behind me, pulls my hair, and then we just started running. I was very intimidated. That was very scary. I still cannot believe it. The fucking monkey pulled my hair. Back at the sanctuary for round 2 and a little anxious to be attacked by monkeys. The orangutans are so unintentionally funny sometimes. Like, that was just hilarious. bus. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get on the bus because you can't book tickets online. And so I pretty much just went here, hoping to be able to buy a bus ticket, which I got, so it's all good.
I really got some.
Okay, you might think I'm dumb, but that was the first time of me using a laundromat on my own. And my clothes are currently in the dryer.